Timetoast tutorial. To begin, create your account. Choose which account you would like to have. Then fill in your account details and follow all instructions. Or, if you have an existing account, sign in. Now begin by adding a new timeline. The first step is to choose a title for your timeline and category that your timeline will be about. You can also choose an image that represents your timeline. To begin creating your timeline, simply add an event, a title, the date, and content. At this time, you can also insert a link and a picture, again to represent the event of your timeline. Continue this until you have finished entering each of your events. Once completed, view your timeline. To publish this timeline, simply go to your dashboard, hit Actions, and change it to Visible. Then next time you view your timeline, you'll see the embed link. And if you copy and paste this link onto any website, you have a direct link back to your timeline.